colors. Walk the wrong place, man, wear the wrong colors. Make the wrong face, man, duck and grab cover. Bullets fly straight, man, hit the wrong mother as she struggles down in a puddle. Meant for another.
Hey everybody, today is Saturday. It is, well, you probably can't see that, but 8:25 a.m. We are on our way to Lancaster, South Carolina to pick up a hood for the S-10. So, yeah, we're on the way. I just got the hood put in the shop. This is some pallets I took apart. I'm pulling nails out, building a greenhouse for my wife. But here's the hood. I'll probably try to get that painted tomorrow, so it's supposed to rain all day. I can't do a whole lot outside, so I think it'll look good on here. But yeah, so hopefully I'll record some more tonight or tomorrow, get it painted and put on, see what she look like. the hood painted. I got a fan blowing away from my truck so the overspray don't land on it. At least don't settle on it or dry before it hits it. It usually works pretty good. I do it all the time. When there is any overspray, it just dries before it even touches because of the airflow. But yeah, other than fighting bugs like this right here, little evil little creatures like that, other than fighting those things, it wasn't that bad. Oh man, I found a dent. I did not see that dent right there. There you go, I know you see it. Now that it's all glossy, I see it. The guy I got the hood from said it was brand new, he just spray painted it blue. But apparently something fell on it at some point. But it's gonna look good on old girl. Right now I got her name Project Headache. But if you guys got a better name, leave it in the comments. I know I had one comment asked why I didn't take those off. Well, that's because I got a new hood. The other ones that were on that hood are right here. I'm gonna sand those back down and paint them back black. But I'm gonna post this tonight. Sorry I didn't have a whole lot of content for you guys this week. I've been busy doing this, and my wood shop, the roll-up doors messed up, so I made some barn doors for it, and I also just knocked out a t-shirt order that's in that box taped up so it don't smell like paint. It was a sleeve print, 2-color front print, and on the sleeve print, that's the back print down there. So I did that today. So I've been a busy boy. But hit that like, subscribe. I'm gonna keep these videos coming. Still, like I said, eventually do those breaks. I'll get around to them, I promise. Thanks for watching. God bless, guys.
Walk the wrong place, man, wear the wrong colors, make the wrong face, man, duck and grab cover, bullets fly straight, man, hit the wrong mother as she struggles down in a puddle, meant for another.